before you come on and no peno, so one joe 5G energy drinker, ya Mamadian 5G baby, and some anum esam soma daruma, ya the foreign news about when I have 5G energy drinker, no, and about amateurs and I'll try yet yes, no, what you want them up elko so, and what you do mood and concentration. I was say come a boy our black caffeine, and so our from into bro, amateurs are preparing and Yansun sounds so bunny, and some hours of 5G at Darman no peno, ya Mamadian so baby and so bonafe, and no Abuaman your menino, and some I come at Jamo. Now, my main front to him say, and I know Pokea, Mebeka so romance our Portugal, Essence and Ra, a cobas a match about so from Malicao, Womatina Fiasha, Benfica, Academy, and some Ama Benfica, Antimi Antonitino, and no much as Abokua, your father's sport and Omana Gelicino, and some our Portugal, Adias woman also. Now, a job I couldn't say, I had yes, our cross sport and away, and some about the 20th time, I'm an old casino, woman some match on league in our chess of Portugal, and some Adias woman also said the Oko Italy and Ano, Yabaka say Inter Milan Aya Saita, woman Geligino for the 20th time way, and some Aya Sporting Sepia, woman so Ajomo League for the 20th time Nano, I just a Koba some game out Povia, woman some Benfica and running in Ano, way Aya manager Fansa, Ruben Amorim or celebrity and watch it, woman Ton Jom Anager as a placer, woman some Nasiaka Amasaita, your Fansa Sporting in Ano, now beyond some jubilation, Shadow Samame, woman up in top bounce, our brand of Peno, not making one some that try a tear funny I have for, way and some night bounce, I'm a Bronte, woman some other Tumpasa, woman the Chim one tells I'm a Yasin, and some I was almost, and I just some Yandia can say champagne, I just almost I get champions, our Portugal, and no update to Abba. Now record, I'm a Kawa some try to pay say, manager Fansa Ruben Amorim Ayobiono, age 39, Wabet the youngest manager in the history of our Portuguese league, sir. What you league in the area twice in a row, manager no somebody has set a record, Now Ruben Amorim say, one must start this season or TTB as a man first eye, and I just a league ready, won't you mean Jen Twasumi, and I just saw that as I turn back to back our bra. One must some I can somebody P and I didn't even a Mosaka or ye, and that's what J. I just a ring on the Anuma, one of some much me. Now, news so woman and some other say, Ruben Amorim, I just want your coach as I said, Yerimsa Barcelona Liverpool, woman Lincoln to Chelsea and watch Bamunchen, and some links are banning, woman was a manager and your penny, Nam Obatana, and also Bakwa, coach and say, you want to just say, what does some our contract, our sporting CP, 80, one baby I call, now I say about twice for a third time in a row, one of some other league in the area sitting also, not just a league, I want to back to back, manager all can you say, we best stay our sporting and watching what they are dealing and prato some yes, and some Adama on one Casano, and some Asaj Adama Sportina, and no I update about Codena, your father's Victor Gyokeres, one of my striker Emma Sporting, Yakan some people goes on the washer, assistants Wayabi. Now Victor Senior Bisan. Now, o manager nso obeste anya bia no wono ukọ anase bia wo Victor Gyokeres obetina striker na say yamantu twa say ontimi hye obi abo na dobeso kan nyina no ensom acha so no de dobeso kan so ontimi hye obi abo no nyina no ensom anase wono ayo obi a wo hwere se kwambia so no wono som abetimi este enti nani agie pasende wono som aba ya djuma e wa branch se no ensom aye update aba wo to so ensom aye sa djuma na no enso update I listen you know yet Emma yet for and pay and some our show so to Mr. last season Benfica and a J Namo ya Casabia the youngest manager would you be a Titus in Mianua and I championship Portuguese league in Mianua and no Anna Ruben Amorim aye as so what shall said ya toss me and Sano one some to me source our brano and some higher correction I make back met the Amante youngest manager would you league tight our Portugal and no some higher twice say manager no and why and I'm say I'm force ultimate gen to assume you and no and I says all shanum sa kwambia so no one some bet me aye and take your carers and so say want to mean guarantee so betina and asampo obakonomom was so shall go as jubilate I will share why cross on Sadia Katane hune and some and no was some bo aye ka friend on we are and I just want to Victor carers no and some bet me action celebration no and so as into moment just sending no yen chama Portuguese cap no yen monwie enom update a free akwadana so ateba na eba se enra koba se family cow and some not Benfica 2-0 mama manager Faransa Roger Schmidt onihwe ya umpo I was so baba so manager Roger Schmidt say Jerry Kane obo family cow abaso de tosum ye no wo boss sporting CP and some any manager na ye Faransa Ruben Amorim abaso say nei wo some agile no Portugal and some other quiet Benfica wo coach Faransa Roger Schmidt.
Congratulations to Famalicão for the win today, but also to Sporting, because I think they deserve this year to become champion. I think they play a great season. Also congratulations to Ruben Amorim. I think they're doing very well. We tried our best, but the best this year was not good enough to win the championship. At the end we are second, and like I said, a little bit this match today is also a little bit a picture of the season. So I think the first half was a little bit wild, both chances on both sides. Second half, I think.
Okay, yes, I know I am some manager fan Roger Schmidt, and I'll tell your daily accepts Emma, your job for an annual pay, and some I was shown so stories in the torso. Now, my main front two, when I'm saying, I'm Paris Saint Germain, and I don't pay our studio Safi, and our PS, you 20 session, and also Masha say Guswa El Coso. Now, my main front two, when I'm saying, our brand PSG, one was air 20, and I don't pay best and on Kuno, Boyano, now, Unimsomo President, your friend says Sheikh Nasser Al Khalifi one baba share training session and of course I know no kwana buy German second you know so run your friend say Lewis Campos omumi anu nie wom our poisi our bra boys no e be training ni nyina say nyame ya no chena wom be ball omo Champions League semi final return leg match and e baso our bra ho nsem ni nyina no ye de emi e Fernando Petit 20 no enom abekoso enche be manager your friend say Luis Enrique any player bako and some pre-match conference so now PSG one game so nyamia mochina and some about Parc de France I'm on a Dortmund no my main front two of them say Italian referee na your friend said Daniele Osalto no and on the match na man so be center referee and I feel Massimiliano Irati from Italy one of some about video assistant referee nyamia mochina chi ay Wednesday woko Estadio Santiago Bernabeu ay Real Madrid and Bamunchimfo no and some about ball now Polish I'm referee na your friend said Simon Masiniak ono and about Kwakodi ayesa game about our bra Real Madrid will fear and some other Dortmund game no and no and some ababaso and watching a video assistant referee no and some other Thomas Kwiatkowski ono and about video assistant referee so and no official somebody say two games no and I don't update ni na deba na mo Shadrack mami PSG wo mo supporters na no ma so aye fireflies as of aye adesem enwo na dwunyina na Barca yes supporters ni be say and I take it them I sold out wo be take it ni bi ato wo nya bi ento na omo se take it no kra no e ba ya manfo so na ne boden and ne boden na monte so a chesam omo se I between 375 euros na chesano Ghana sikam no I 5,532 Ghana. Nasa enkanisi kana 55 million. And I'm just so kwa to the ane for. And I take it in swan board den ocheo. Take it in swan board deno. And no some number to me atono. Tesa best 900 euros our bra. 900 euros so converted and some other batch as a Ghana. Yes, some nesi came one as amsa kwa nimpa 13,279 Ghana. And kind 132 million. What a crowd show PSG and some and a Dortmund. I'm on first take it to the board thing and a friend could see him. I will yo why ya say any yes take it nasa. Afraid PSG supporters here. Woman say take it to the board then unya be grantono supporters and the akwakoto and performing himself kabaya nyamia motina woman mountain a giant screen outside Parc de France in Tomwa. Woman ya take it and run our stadium no woman some BB and some other Serbia fan zone and some our stadium anymore said a bear almost some number to me a creative for you to say none a giant screen of bunting dead there inside dead then in the bottom of a menace and your money no and know some I'm not so brother me answer yes supporters some belong to a Telegram group kwana man question best 2,000 our promo no and some up a giant screen outside and update about Mbappe was one of them say I pressure and I bought so now so come be as what to say nyame ya doma watching qualify. One the 1-0 deficit and I bought match anymore. Now some according to Aquadana, your father saying Mbappe was some Amobasha a Yasa Fanana Bahumbi, Sir Paris Saint-Germain. And so I qualify, and some other anymore. Now, and come back, I say, my country say, Real Madrid, I prepare one more videos and then messages. And I said, yeah, one may say, I could done it for the same Mbappe, and some announcement, and come back, I'm starting from Hannah, make one sem, and the choice, and you're Real Madrid, Abba Queen, I'm Mbappe, I call Olympic Games, and I saw my Queen, and to the one Casatina say, necessary. Say Mbappe no your Olympic Games our Paris. Now imagine say be a host city. Now Mbappe any hobby. What just said now some of the president your fancy His Excellency Emmanuel Macron one and penny Adama France and no person run us out now Presido penny say the Olympic Games Asemi Waka was said can be said the clubs one more France ama Quincy one me judge players and I'm a boys and about the Olympic Games and one be on also a bomb say other clubs aka one some our Europe and some Ababasi Academa Ayadiasa Chess Olympic Games no or mine now was sharing Mbappe Papa Nanria and Mbappe Papa Edim Como was one Casa president or beside Mbappe Papa so penny can Obano Olympic Games no Obaba. And also, was in Mbappe, Papa Kachan say, Aquadanum, Abas Obo Olympic Games, and it's a Papana Casa indirectly, as I said in the Banana Cano, and to me, Sabia, Madrid, sign out Quadanivia, almost some number to me, agreement, and Sabia, or many people on a compromise, I'm Aquadano, and so Olympic Games, and as Amo Manaquaya, according to President Tenedia, or say Mbappe, Papa Kachan said, Bano, Abasa Obo Olympic Games, our Brano, and some update to Samano Kasai, Olympic myself for say, coach na, what them Orion Fansan. Just say Ivory Coast, Afcon January Gasset, on San Quay, Obama says that for a Diogo Bruta. Now, Dominion says myself for no Womunya, I am Marizo Saria and Comope, former coach, I'm a Chelsea, Chufeno, Womunya Saria and Comopenum. Yes, a manager of so called sabbatical leave. It is a sabbatical leave at year, and your bed dear Pastor Marizo Sarino, and some never to me about Jumana Arches. I know I update about 170, yet the Emma, yet and I pay and some our show us a fee. Mammy, I brought to say Harry Kane, Edward Harry Kane. I call Bamuch in the first season. Meno Casabia say European Golden Boot. Harry Kane, Abache, who goes our share. League our ball now you converted with points accrued already said your list and some sit down with screen as well. Hurricane Dikine, which I kind of points now. I'm on 72 and watching Mbappe Tosum our 52. So Girassi our 50 points. Erling Haaland our 50 points and a player. You're fan. What do you say? I'm fan of Justin Sense. No more. Jintia Mame Yansen Yamiadama Sunday. One more Abatiano. I'm game against Wolfsburg. Jamesa can say game about on Sunday, woman and Wolfsburg, Ababono, report on can say just wait and a Bamuch in front of some Abasha Atiano and Yamiarma next season. Woman's Abbas almost a buying for Nomina Cocha. Your father's a Pep Guardiola. Anka omo papa yesem akwakwa sase musie afei na puban kakra yesem komodio ma dini nyina ne se womum awo gide bi se Pep Guardiola awo unfinished business and some awo buying adan awo buying no wabeji bibia but Champions League it say ya manager in the city aje Champions League city no krana na bia obi an hye nanim ne sare so tim dia dia edinti no ntimi fa bamu chimfo no ensom anje enti yese ban fa na pa de omo kombedo na so se be ya omo benya no eno ensom ane big question wo our brand no pay no ye den update ni nyina de baboboku a ye fa no Manchester United na mugina kono ensom our Premier League ni mo Man U Kwara to South Park our bra Money Crystal Palace and abome say mo defenders no central omo nyina nipa oye recognized aye central defender and some ayakodana ya fa the same John Evans no nkwanaka enti Kambwala mo ne Harry Magua mu nyina proprama Magua kwada mo de abufo sa afa kwada munya mo so mo beton a chese ne nyina no enom update free omaso ye ensom ade abantini pa ba ko no ensom ankwanaka nei e bia manager ne be pa kwada bi anasa bia jogo dalo bi be kwa kwhyem e diama na sa se bia manager ye fa no certain ha e be se ye bia no ye hwe se de game no ensom na be se akọ na o kese last week ya discuss say manager fans Eric Ten Hag no bamunchi fo no nyana omo papa ana manager no so anya bamunchi no obekọ ye kan sasane cho last week come here discuss report to me nyana say bamunchi na contacted the agent na mom ono ankasa coach fans Ten Hag no de wo bia mfa phone and friend no wo bia no ani nkomo yes apart from Ben kwan yes other two clubs wo mo so our Europe Manchester for say coach ni nya dia wo de mo pamon no party ways and na ya make say ya wo say Ten Hag benya dwuma de crunching a chesaman fon so ayada manager na enom update aba omobusa coach no say opani Jadon Sancho won ne kasa ana oso boy no omo tie frɛ ani akora ne dinko because oda so yo player entia bia ne ma kosan ne ma si kɔ ne nyina no wo mo da so monitor ye season na akoda no ensom ababa be sempo wo benya Manchester mu awura ana say bia boy no enya Manchester mu awura ana Sancho ne bako ebusa no say entia akoda no on power chow eba be sin na nyina no wo hwanem say bia Jadon Sancho eba be ka chow say ebia coach anioma sisi anioma kosom anu ntime ye sorry ana manager no so no anya apology asem obia no obia nkwen ana chese hwinsi ye enti ehun hyeda hia say bia mo be ka say bia o demand apology ensom na de free akoda ne nchen a chese no update eba wonsam no nyina no ye de eme ye for anano pay enskra na sem akoba say bia nipa no ensom awura mfimfin a ye na eboa na say wo invite kakra ye na ema Chelsea ane Caicedo say wo say the last best 3 games at Chelsea aba ye na kukura invite konfinfini nyina no eboa ama chese Caicedo and numbers peja manager no say ai ya de bia omo tie try kra wo Chelsea training grounds and so wo kobam ho na omo boy 11 asade omo tie enti ade no wanya no dadada na mom enei ana wo ye sade ama Chelsea supporters atini su aba be si na friend won say hwekukura ya wo mu jane say bia on boss na invented ele fullback na bra bema to me rubber beer and some amanyoma to me kwasere say siko and some amatim no report to me say kan say enra ye benya Paul Stanley ono and Lawrence Stewart omo me anu ra Chelsea dressing room yes omani age papa na dwuma na Mauricio Pochettino born and say no yes ayo mo fa because an kamebia obaka Chelsea and West Ham ever bar won sunum agujam Chelsea and Tottenham ever bar wo yam show now so as the last a few games ni nyina no aniema kokama ana mo busa coach no so pani na no betimi qualify for Europe was sere wo be di Europe ehon koma at the pressure ebeba beto boys no so on be so be kan Europe asem say aye ka say yentie Chelsea manager for Mauricio Pochettino. What say and some manager fan say Mauricio Pochettino and some other two try to fight Europe nyina ho no ye benya ede ama ye je for anano pay life and some our show no and what ye them say Premier League in emo dem pana report to me say kan say Premier League in pan for no yes o ma tre official letter e dia kwakoma clubs nyina say ba ya dui ya na supporters be to me invade aya pitch no enti o ya club ahwe say obema stewards aya dwumani ye Biama still was emphasis pitch no Nenko Kobase be a fair pitch invaders and some abajo pitch no so mon passing bia amon pese bia ba na ba final and I say bia ba na ba twa suntine I letter at as a Premier League campaign for no and some actual edeko na Arsenal for say Kai Havertz and Arsenal player of the month for April one and Ajena wabom pa and no one that said a month of April no one more at the player of the month award no and some Adama Kodana your fan said Kai Havertz no mom your ba your Premier League nankasa so the camera manager your fan Pep Guardiola on Fulham Fulham about this time medical but answer Arsenal ababone there on Fulham manager say I was going to be asked what share would you tie Pep.
So just it would be after we have to win, and Arsenal knows they have to win, and not just 11 players. The staff, Akuma staff, all the fans everyone knows that it's not one little mistake because you will lose the Premier League. We know it, but they know it. What happened in Liverpool in the past. So play before. Today we arrive here, and the players know, guys, if we don't win, ciao, ciao, bye bye. Next season, see each other. So it's not much.
Yes, not just one mobile boy, a wolves, a match, and no boys require our say. So many to me and show Vampton Wanderers, not just any, and why Baba and Yamia Manessis, your best and she on tea. No boys in the away, no medical catchers, a man will say, send a boys in them up a titler, and your problem, Amamu opponent Tamaka. Now, say, or GDA pass Arsenal team way. What show mu din na hwe nyoma Arsenal for any ball moba bibia no Manchester 2 matches aka no Arsenal ebe drop points wo mo so mo nya ready so mo so ba be drop Pep Guardiola yentie no.
Hopefully we win against Fulham. They will play in Old Trafford. That of course they play for Europa League and but they say if we don't win today we will not be champion. So when that's happened it's more difficult in terms is easier because you see the level of consistency Arsenal since winter break, since the way they're playing. It's not the winning the way they're playing, so you smell they're not going to lose the 2 games left they have. They are not going to lose. So if just in case.
Yes, not just one cause I'll take the pump and smell it and we say, there's a ball at Arsenal football. Be what just say, one was about drop points. Our bracket 2 matches are and no I manager for the pep and exception in Nano. Yet Emma, yet for an anno pay Liverpool for no. Mammy found 2 one say, yes, simple for Naki Kanyama boom. Now say I'll guess and Kakra and what she Pep Guardiola Kakra and a color and Charlotte Munano. Yes, my exclusive interview at the Atoa. A bear farewell at Jama or Fan sir, Jurgen Klopp, our brand manager, and Eber Quenchebiano. One must ever release our branding as part of a celebration. Some of them are coach. Your fan say, I am Jurgen Klopp now, coach now. Your fan and slot, by Nano born Gamaria, and where you cross, Sala going in for patches what I should do come up. Now, many Jano Jamesa can some shank, Mamma Freinod Fono, and our Freinod, almost a fear. Now supporters in the Tonium, and no, I stand out for slot. Yes, for best at 10 minutes. No matter so Tonium, I dare. One moment Janini Majuma Papa, and two way I supporters, one more data, one more Tonium Adama incoming Liverpool coach. Your fan and slot, our Freinod Fono, one more show appreciation, and some Majama Omu coach. I had update in Nano, and some Madama yet for an anno pay, and some our show no so. Now report from a second anno pay essay. Vinicius Junior, yes, a brand GDA passer number 15. I am very possible. Number 15, I am very possible. Yeah. Nani a Real Madrid Champions League. At also Emma Komako Edunum. Woman Ebetumi Aje at the SU Womana so. Now just a Real Madrid I side. Woman some I ready second Piasono. Woman so Abaja title no. And some Adia Coffee at Chesano I update. A free Real Madrid fast way. And some like the Eba on something in Ano. Yet the Emma yet for an anno play. And some our shortest me ba Barcelona. And some answers some Barca fono unim say di kama me coach fan say Xavi dia o say ya bufuo na abufo no nyina no say muntumi nya mistakes at say some mistakes ni nyina no e can be anamanyo man koye from a Barca na ne bofu panyo me course no enso na ni baako say yentie Xavi
and all the season, so it's a really pity because yes, today I'm really upset. I cannot understand what happened. These mistakes, we cannot do this kind of mistakes in this kind of level. So Girona is like a Champions League level club, and we create many chances to score 1-3, 1-4. They were really tired. And then we did many mistakes, so individually, collective, so yes, it cannot happen.
Okay, yes, I know I am manager, I fantasy Xavi, and I'll test your dinner accepts Emma, your tip for an annual pay. Life and so I was shown so I just I want something you know, yet the Ebana German second say, what brought me to Emma and annual pay so right fantasy Walla Porter, number fu pa because and you say also Bassa Bonobo, will be a what shall will be a what's about take lead, and sit down, I'm quite Emma Tim Babate 2-2. 3-2 4-2 just back to back Barca ha dwempa na owura bufo no nyina yes de me say kan say yes oba be take decisions bia what did you Barca ehia restructuring and what you Barca ehia changes nyame ya adom asama na mom changes e be ba no yes say o ye Barca fan and I say bia wo support Barcelona e betimi aka wakoma gentle maker say betimi aka wakoma no say enipa ofu say bia Barca o ye untouchable ono Barca betimi attach no anu nti asama Ronald Araujo and some bankomani mu metis a board of directors where they this time no yes wo diri pass say e dey also mo ton Araujo krama no kwa wo diri ba say we e painful sale na just asa de aya wo yasa wo jam ama akona so nyina achi no e wo say wo ton meko and what you Robert Lewandowski wo mo abasa Lewandowski este Macau Pinano and some area chora na mom jaminya no nyina no sa sika biba na sa ne beboa Barcelona enko dia Barca beti ase aton boy no ama no some akobonsa for say anya players best miensa anase makomako enan na just 3 to 4 players as omo to a wo betimi akọ straight into Barca wo mo first 11 wo mo sa signings no ana Barca ba so omo ye metese baakom be a central defender ya kan wansem and what is second priority I left wing go and what e be dependent say bi ba kwa na say bi ba and defenders no and what is Xavi Pobi de sa Bernardo Silva winim dada ansana wo mo the striker and some abekan na mo Barca na so ogidie e wo wura ye fan say Xavi mo so no na betimi akoso aye adwuma no simple e wa bra no aye update e ba ho nsem nyina no ye de eme ye tefo ye mre na fei ye no ameto aso.
I will play Fulham after. Just it would be after we have to win, and Arsenal knows they have to win, and not just 11 players, the staff, Backroom staff, all the fans, everyone knows that it's not one little mistake because you will lose the Premier League. We know it, but they know it. What happened in Liverpool in the past. So play before. Today we arrive here, and the players know, guys, if we don't win, ciao ciao, bye bye. Next season, see each other. So it's not much complicated. It doesn't matter if it's before or later. I will play Fulham after. Just it would be after we have to win, and Arsenal knows they have to win, and not just 11 players, the staff, Backroom staff, all the fans, everyone knows that it's not one little mistake.
What Meza Abibia I find there.
Yami Adom Asheni experience fancy di Maria Bibia
the
you 2 years also way.
Yami Adom Bibia I find.
Yes. Another Monday morning. By fancy ansana me question my men wish me ankasa menko for a happy birthday. My men share Razak Abdul ono ewo YEA. Na Razak saso ye adwuma wo pimso. My men wish no happy birthday Subim constituency MPP youth organizer no. Happy birthday boss nyame inshallah na onye okesi na nyoma entito di emfama yeah that was still Sompa sport I'm sure me wish me akasa madam for ni menua Tony ono no owo Edwoso government hospital oko x-ray department onum na Tony nyamisha na onyo kese na menshi DJ Godfred a happy birthday na men fancy DJ Godfred so Ezra FM nyame insha na onyo kese fancy di Maria I think said the managerial hunt is still ongoing when it comes to the European clubs making sure so be able to menya coach our office up. This morning we woke up yeba na Julian Epotege oni West Ham agree terms and say Jumadi na also be sha say the mom no ba sha say the mom. Is it a matter of lack of quality when it comes to the coaching system? And I said there because you see, Ruben Amorim so announced say, only movie from Sporting Lisbon or better than Sporting Lisbon for next season. Said about Betima winning the 3rd trophy and the 3rd league title. Amanyo Makuye Ediamomo. In this particular same situation, Nankasano Bayern Munich is still struggling to get a head coach because Omashishimwa Ragnik Amfa, Nagosman Amfa, Chesenipa Wodona Amfa. Not Omani that Julian Lepetege is saying common sabiti me akan, but I say Julian Lepetege is heading towards coaching West Ham. That's all about people Bayern Munich. Similar Stefano Pioli, emu tete anesa atete awie. Almost so manager mama na ba be coach team na. See an similar Julian Lepetege dey so you have to assume. Now they also have to go and look for another coach so no ba be team dey see in aso. Thiago Motta is not all said and done for this particular Juventus job. Now Conte, Tuchel, and all of these coaches are home. But why are teams running away from the likes of Thomas Tuchel? Why are teams running away from the likes of Antonio Conte? Some are managerial teams. Fancy. This is the difference. They are builders and they are winners. And they are builders who have become winners between the space of time.
Okay.
Now you can pick up Obia or winner. Now the never be PMU team. So what the never say on Bayer Juman Fama or Fancy Di Maria achabe 1 month or 2 months no. Only the best saying issue kakra because the only here what transfer market him to win no. Over to potential on only pa benda da. It's potential any abenda da no. Over kofa bend a potential na de na ba afina ba be a whole lot of issues between ones our coaches no.
Okay.
Thomas Tuchel. Obekaya during Bayern Munich days no kwa so pe a defensive midfielder. E ka de kwa na common jaw palin na wi. Omanya na afamba. Okatwom say there be upon established number 6. Nipa bi say no say okona wo kofa obi a Fancy Di Maria oye yemfa ne say potential de ne brena. There might be issues that are surrounding these particular deals. And the back of fab issues, there are any problems. But Okophobia or a builder in the bar. There's a certain builder and there's a certain winner. That particular category of having a builder and a winner. No? For example, Mamin Pico to say Jurgen Klopp.
Okay.
Jurgen Klopp is a builder. At the same time, he has proved himself to be a winner. It's all free Borussia Dortmund. They are no a build Waji Bundesliga 2 times. Or the more Roman to the UEFA Champions League final in 2013. Or the only sin Chenya. The other coaches say beti makaka omudi abubo omudi say we mu de omo builders no masa so prove yourself some way winners within a long period of time. Omo team. For example, Pep Guardiola. Pep Guardiola be PM Manchester City. He has built his own team in a different way and is winning with them. So if you give Pep Guardiola a team to Obibeka send Pep Guardiola spending be brain Pep Guardiola there be and the potential no crab where they change even abin that for no. Because muti 2 years or more kwan day e doso. It will be found waba. He will build upon it and will be building a kama. No about be adwuma no. Ebi a Manchester City na de be example la. That Barcelona team after 2006. Shadi ode Pedro. Shadi ode the likes of Gerard Piqué. Shadi ode Sergio Busquets. Most of these players, you know, Shadi ode Lionel Messi. And he's a winner. So sometimes it takes the level of the team to determine the kind of coach you appoint to bring in. Itinana Bayern Munich. Omani abrese omo pejabi aloso because baby a omugina sese no Bayern Munich will need to rebuild their club again.
Yeah.
Because Thomas Muller munyina beja honum de akwa na Bayern Munich backline no hell e was omujo permanent kan omunyina akwan because omuji 2 years on yade and build another team because Afonso Davies is so extending the contract. They need to do a lot because Leon Goretzka and Joshua Kimmich munyina no they are approaching prime years bia enche kra no be free Bayern Munich ayede akobebi foforo. It's not no money abrese. Let's bring in Alonso.
Sompa Sports.
But then builders in the crampot now within their clubs. They are scared to take the next step in making sure some manage these top clubs. What? Dear Nama Ruben Amorim part one say Ruben Amorim is the same na Sporting CP. But fancy. Because most of them will need to prove beyond reasonable doubts to handle the pressure at these big clubs. Ruben Amorim no. At the name Ruben Amorim any European competitions. I did the name Ruben Amorim near so all Sporting CP no or G League or Sporting CP. But for some time now no omo free Portuguese league in the Grand Prix no Fancy Di Maria omo na perform with the European standard ne kraba omo bre. It obeya ontina wodi because Sporting CP bo Europa League ontimi mo semi final. The same Sporting Lisbon anka say struggle say even the Champions League come with about the quarter final. It would in the bar. In the big club near environment, you know, quarter final is a semi final. The bit is so be people Bayern Munich, Liverpool, Muna, or Montreal Farmer. It's your better now. You see, continue so fan about Obia through. Say, Chinanko no. Oko can't say, we could content Obeba press media name. No, about better to open some. Obia etina, Xavi Hernandez etina. So Obeto Asodiama Barcelona. Now, no, Bekacho say, and yet because say Xavi. It is so much well into what Barcelona wants to do, but the lack of options per the kind of coaches are these elite clubs want. It is said here, let me say the transfer market of coaches, you know, fancy and first in the and everyone wants to keep their coach well, and everyone has realized it's better to have project coaches and our builders who transform to become winners. The decision has not taken, you know. Ateta has shown that he's a builder. But Teta Nyan Tramak need to become a winner.
Okay.
To onya trap building stage, you know, be room into a winner. Unya nipa bisana because he knows how to navigate through the squad. It's the first batch be free one more. Adia Boa Ferguson ye pan. Ferguson was a builder and a winner. It's Ferguson builder how many teams in Manchester United? Over squad over 2 or more, even from 1989 BBC 1992, 92 by RBC 94 95. Omuji League we over share more than Beje 99 Champions League treble. Omutra Mukoye. Her team or building between 2002, 2003, 2004. Ruud van Nistelrooy, David Beckham, Omunyina Besako. He also built another one again. At the Manchester United West Beje Champions League between 2006, 2007, 2007, 2008. So any single era, Biano, he had a certain team and also a builder. Or building you so not me that is one aspect of a builder. But a winner, say team now the omoji ni gua Eddie. So Betimas a builder for flow because he's not known to be a builder, he's known to be a winner. But so unyo be a builder, any winner boom. So ombe coach you tima. You are them, you are good, you are there. Ubetima ibi ano etimiaje. Obibeka say bi ne hwamo. Ancelotti, look at what Ancelotti is doing with Real Madrid. He knows how to navigate through the systems and make sure so Betima achieve the results. And he has customized himself to building teams and winning. Fancy league net team yabaneri say top 5 leagues, you know. Paris Saint-Germain agi the league in the French league. Then over Becher se Bundesliga by Leverkusen. Then over the Netherlands league say PSV Moje. Party the mention. Then the talents here over here say Inter Milan. Now there was a confirmation of Real Madrid winning the league title. Now no other weekend. Now Girona and make it that particular win and it's sealed. But you ask yourself, say, how did Real Madrid move from this particular stage to this particular level? Fancy. You compare last season, that's at 2022-2023. At this stage now, Real Madrid crumpled best at this season. There were doubt over some key players. A bit say Karim Benzema.
Yes.
Obetna. And Karim Benzema stayed and played throughout the season till some movie. And Miriam said Barcelona de Real Madrid 10 points gap in winning the La Liga last season. Barcelona nankasa sasu share Real Madrid in the Copa del Rey mo eno omo she omo kakra Super Copa de España almost had Real Madrid the chi the eka form in the league. Real Madrid winning only one game against FC Barcelona 3-1 at the beginning of the season. Dia kanyina na Barcelona choma no show mo and him guasi akwa ba no cross ha by abra Real Madrid ko ball against Manchester City with the ETR 4-0. Metima catch say Ancelotti ba Real Madrid in that was the downward movement of Carlo Ancelotti. Free ho or more Toni Kroos ni Luka Modric was single game mubium da. What's the dia? So mumi new starting game after that 4-0 against Manchester City no. Toni Kroos ni Luka Modric embo together biom.
Say ono president ni dry. Kasa de ntina wo mojamono ho na say
omo biom. But fast forward in the 2023-2024 season here Babeshasi. Ana Karim Benzema so on the obeko Saudi Arabia. Now you are replacing a Karim Benzema striker also going to the transfer market at Fancy Di Maria. Or a 30-goal striker, 25-goal striker. Karim Benzema even moved away from becoming a typical goal scorer for Real Madrid to becoming a creator. And everything about Real Madrid was Karim Benzema. Omo Champions League, no Mobeje Champions League na Karim Benzema. So Mobe run baby na Karim Benzema. Baby a Karim Benzema. The likes of Traumeni Munafi no Mobile Deba. But what did Real Madrid do in the transfer market to replace the goals of Karim Benzema? The man Omo. Almost 30 season in 2023-2024. Ana Tibu Koto akonya ACL. Ebe fi se emu hona. Ani akonya se Alaba. Ani Militao. So akonya injury almost so kwanchen. At a point in time winning 4-0 against Girona. Fancy Di Maria. No more Real Madrid Chiroya Caballal. Lucas Vazquez. Traumeni mo. Any fellow Mendy Muna about the back line. Almost Girona by 4-0. This season, one team penalty me akwa Bilbao woni fie, asa kwose Girona saso woni fie Real Madrid. Real Madrid ko Girona kwose no, oba be she no. Iti me busa me ho say, Carlo Ancelotti fixing the system, making sure say Real Madrid will move more in a typical 4-2-2-2-2 system. Where omo Valverde, any Jude Bellingham so more pretty as half wingers, half midfielders. More cover and almost shady or more fullbacks. Enya Vinicius Junior and Rodrigo playing more centrally, no, has become a magic. It is that particular idea that one of me said, Carlo Ancelotti na tactics ben obono. Let me say you fruit three.
No, ma say coach fruit three. Capello munyina say oni say bia me boss am players no wono. No one finance system be suit to
coach is some more adapted so well.
Say Madrid no, it doesn't matter who plays.
And I ask myself
also to me yeah, as many as 10 changes.
That is it. Yeah. And Fancy, the Real Madrid season it turn around in and say they've been able to replace Karim Benzema with Jude Bellingham. Now Jude Bellingham is not your typical number 9. Jude Bellingham almost maybe a boxing striker now, but the role now enough Karim Benzema bono. I don't think it is any different to what Jude Bellingham gives to Real Madrid, dropping deep, linking with attack, and making sure so betima Pratuma Vinicius and Rodrigo. And this season, Utim say what Timianya wearing 14 points and a day ama Real Madrid pen a number of goals now what Timiasha. He's only second to Robert Lewandowski in the Spanish La Liga. So I feel Carlo Ancelotti is too underrated when it comes to the tactical flexibility in managing a club like Real Madrid. You see, the man say he's underrated when it comes to tactics. When it comes to tactics, we're underrated. As a man for the man resource, your man manager. Personal relationship, need those things. But I don't know why any this season, no. Yeah. Any idea why Jude Bellingham, no. Fancy. I'm sitting and I'm saying this. Because Jude, not to catch you. Jude, what is on board Champions League, Jude Grant interior, and all say. As a man for who was goes and be because coach and as a sunny rule. Yes. The bonus of one shot bonny dear and as a winning football technical eye. It's why dirty works no more. Oh, yet I know best I should go or revelate in the box. Vinicius Junior is even play more central. And Mike now can do that simply.
You're only able to do this when you have a competent technical team. Ancelotti is leader of a technical team. But mon family nkwane bana so David, you know. Yeah. Mon family nkwane so ne hawa wabua a revolutionizer ne papa no. How was he coaching? And you say na Ancelotti coaching. The banner the abel for the NBA was a son pa. Okay. To watch check here, mostly in crucial stages of game, even obey change cry. He confessed with the son before. Almost what were banned the banner. No, omumi no. Tete omo din komo yenye den. So a technical team in the piano. Coaches in at times they were opimo. So that is where you need that push. Balcony.
Me ba osusesia me za me da se na me ba my class report osusesia Fibo Ventures odu pose goal na benyo mo toothbrushes and omo toothpaste ni bi ato Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, yawa Ashford Evidence, afi Ashford Executive, Ashford Galaxy and Ashford Friendly ni nyina no where your toothbrushes it me rare sentem o siachi ododom efa o sene so eboa ma o seno enso enya na ho de fita so kama afri fresh about toothpaste. Get Clear toothpaste, Aloe toothpaste, Anafi, Peppermint toothpaste, Nina, Juma, and T. Bomodian Sabria Pebi Ato Edia brush with teeth. Man, Quran soon you saw Modian from brush with teeth, said a bear, Eba Ama Bibionum, a bear sham, O Konipama on ferry, and what ye, Usia dear, student or class, it was a questioner. I will voice out Tessans or Num Aham, and your friend as I don't know pounds na Kawashin and say, and your man quaint him so one moon tosso, Namanyoma and your Kama and from our Fibo Ventures on my numbers in the 0200 600 934 0241 54 5646 na just on the Fibo and so empenfone and kasa yeah that's so J a young kwadano I was St Andrew Senior High yeah just from 1 edge from 2 edge from 3 and now me no kasa you be free administration block or teachers and HS empenfone wo honoma yeah twa wo ko bana twa wasi ankoya ma no wanya no ba ku bi anya mienu bi abomode anso de abofra no and so ebeba afei your boarding facilities HS jana now so your ICT center in science lab no so ye kama chese when you school period ebeso teacher ni so na me man na me fa ana me sia na chese ye kase seriousness ho ana chese de ye adwuma e wo St Andrew Senior High akoda bia be hunu ante akoda bia be nimde chese teachers so me qualified omo ana esen obano ama ne dache esen ye St Andrews e wo asenfosu ye ne Rich FM e wo premises bako 0244 696911 and 0207 891004. Mike.
Fancy me yeah, Nyamiadum, BBI Kama.
Sompa Sports.
Another example of assistant new coaches in the Kuros in Ferguson.
Okay.
Especially for Cristiano Ronaldo. Obey me a check. He said, when you're a competent assistant and now when you're a competent technical team, I am not doing so, baby. Ateta was a former assistant to Pep. Shadi Oya was now.
The kind of game be at it about for a people channel no be no.
Exactly.
And then say at it
their current assistant too. Joama Lilo, Man City. Pep Sunya coaching from Joama Lilo.
Yes.
Pep started coaching because Sunya freeway. If your assistant and no technical bench ni deep wa, and that goes to explain a Komian no idea about coaches availability anyway. But if you take them to big clubs, what the Amorim call big club CCA, when you a competent technical team to push them or be floppy because the demands and the challenges, I know was so. But who's our story be about? You see a Wednesday, say Zimo Mazini Akinekodi. Interesting. Bayern for the so they have a fine record with this Polish referee.
Real Madrid.
Yeah, they be Bayern. Yeah, they have a fine record. Among matches away Mekaino. 2 against Benfica. It ended in wins. Baku had a quarter final. Moshe Benfica 1-0. Now Baku so winning 5-2. But the only game Mubo away Amazini Akoko
Sompa
was in Spain was against a team from Madrid. And Bayern lost the game. Team Maziniak no make whatever you want with Infonami to Jano. Nain at the Dane. It could work in Bayern's favor, it could work against Bayern's favor. But the Omen favor Madrid, they say the last away game away dia na Bayern ye involved, it was in Madrid. It was against Atletico. Bayern lost that game by a goal to 0. That is the info. Chinane Wednesday in Yaba. We'll delve deeper into it. But on Bayern, Harry Kane is doing remarkably well. The debut season, but all but near him, not in the Dean and Nam. Obia Wabo Premier League Nibia top scorer award. Wabo Premier League Nibia consistent in terms of scoring 20 plus goals in more than 4 seasons. You are coming with a huge reputation. Nti na do na ehwe nim se Hurricane ne ko no de no de buy ne ko enye de na Hurricane ne ko yo menya sure say ne wo studio ha no many people had doubts if Kane will score goals in Germany. No, need obien who no de chi says Kane will score goals in Germany. But it was rather de na Kane de buy en ko ya or the bibi be kan career ne ho. So to me the numbers is put up, impressive numbers. 36 goals, 8 assists in 32 Bundesliga matches. Impressive. 8 goals, 3 assists in 11 Champions League games. Impressive. 44 goals, 11 assists in 44 matches played so far this season. Insane numbers. But then again, it's Harry Kane. He was joining the Bundesliga and Bayern as an elite finisher in Europe. He had not done it with the lower leagues now Europe. No. Amongst the top 5 rated leagues in Europe. So Kane and his numbers will produce fancy. And not surprising him, family. Of course, he joined the best team in Germany, and he also joined as the best striker, one of the best, top 3 in Europe. But ni na no ya sebe ebe rodorada, he might break Lewandowski's 41 goal mark. Obetimia break it. Lewandowski 41 goals 2020-2021. He might break it. But if Harry Kane fails to leave a legacy moment, it will not be regarded that much.
It's a trophy,
Bayern have seen players emerge and do what he's doing. Before Lewandowski, there was Gerd Müller. And they've seen top strikers play for them. But the legacy moment near na will impact no goals na no impact ben so ben the benya wo team so how much of your goals or how many of your goals will translate into success and any idea baby. And to me, Kane might break records, he might make individual there, he might win the European Golden Shoe, but he has few legacy moments buying, and the sooner he starts doing that, the sooner Bayern will start forgetting him. How many go 36 Bundesliga goals? Then I don't say way a legacy moment. Harry Kane and a way back watch as a Bundesliga history in the only records in the fastest to do this Englishman first, then. But you can't actually pinpoint to say we were at this stage. Now Victor Boniface goes no share. It won by Leverkusen this and it delivered them the. They are unbeaten and they have won the Bundesliga title. Yen to me the Hurricane in common in Fasa. So to me, he has just one last chance. He's in the last chance saloon, and that is to win Bayern the Champions League. He's able to do that. On the debut season, emerged top scorer, Champions League name, emerged top scorer, Bundesliga name, essentially European golden shoe now. That crowns it for him. And even it would take him to the conversation of the Ballon d'Or. So Kane, you are scoring the goals. We appreciate, but the legacy moments in a way, legacy moments cement greatness, not just goals. Tine bimundi Ellen Haaland in common gidi sa. He's scoring goals, he's producing numbers. But Ronaldo more share goals here numbers no. They were cementing legacy moments. A big greatness in a ball. If you don't, you're Kyle.
And Eric Wagner said Osimhen Yama Napoli.
Exactly, legacy moment. Osimhen scored goals, won the Capo Cannonieri, but ebe breaki a jinx and Napoli bida since Diego Maradona. And then he did our history books more. So please, Hurricane, we are begging, create legacy moments. So buy a team nim na for moko final for moko Champions League no. When the top scorer in Europe, the European Golden Boot or the Golden Shoe, and then the Bundesliga Toshu Zenkoning. Oyening inana. Then Adobe Drew Soro and people will start regarding.
But we Kayon Nana Achian say Hurricane signed for 5 years and he's barely played one full season. TBR 4 years now can obey me there.
Hurricane Edith.
This is what 30.
Thank you very much. So he's not getting younger. Ana prekonami edine show. Goals no ocean is here, you know. There are no guarantees say he will get the same goal per game ratio next season.
Okay.
Anything Lewandowski no man yan to aswasa. So if you have something to do, and Bayern are going through a period where there will be changes in the playing body, changes in the technical team. Coach Fufro Krabe to Miaba, then impact Benya was when they say you will not be able to produce.
Sompa Sports.
Seize it and create legacy moments. Barcelona and Common now your story is more transfers or money back on
There's so many brepa.
Why Barca have not really competed this season, Fancy? Coaching back home, but coaching has been overemphasized. You're coaching it too much. Barca's transfers were poor. Their transfer business, Samano, are very poor. And they play about this season. Why a breakthrough? Where you know was a Barca, where the wait with the natural as well. And why now? Barca Antonio, he was promoted from within. And Fermin Lopez has been a revelation, although say he's not been consistent. But Fermin Lopez gives more hope for the future than Obi de João Felix. Now this is Barca's transfer business. Okay, Gundogan. Oba and Wabo, he's okay. But your name ne say Gundogan and no Man City team names are. Issues have come up. And to Gundogan and mention that Jajinipi, he's had a good season. But what about Oriol Romeo? He's a player Barca no almost pe ankasa. They needed because Busquets konti DMI penny up Kyle Money Hero na Pemso. Inigo Martinez, Joao Cancelo, Joao Felix, Victor Roque, it will be too bad to judge him because he joined midway through the season. And the Barca transfer business, they were not transfers that took the team to the next level. They joined Barcelona, then as defending champions. Barca now, any form, defensively they've been poor. Defensive solidity and the Buama Barca J title last season. Their defense has become weaker. Because defensive midfield center back no more years almost sorting. In the central defense, Paul Kubasi abetu Inigo Martinez. Defensive midfield hono. Oriol Romeo and Fa ama now they are exploring using Christensen DM. So Barca, if they need to get back to competing again, aside promoting from within, needs to also take their transfer business very serious. But Chelsea, the end of the year. It will be too early to say Chelsea have turned the corner. But it will also be unfair. So Obeka say Pochettino nyeshe Chelsea form ne pa. What matters is that there will be consistency. And this time around, what Chelsea needs to do is no change. Too many changes affects rhythm and affects learning scope, and the maturity of a team. Now,
and catch like
almost so almost every player has shown signs of improvement. It is too early to really speak to it, but I'm saying that it's unfair to also judge them and say, so teams almost share teams biya, almost share that bobo and giddy biya. What I think is that let us maintain a level of consistency in terms of one, decision making, and then also in terms of what they really need, our transfer marketing.
Okay. Patrick Champon say, how can you allow Kese to go and bring Romeo? Xavier Nkasa, I'm say, Obeso Cheso Nyadie. Afenana Sanyon. Nana Sanyon says, Barca started to play well immediately. Xavier announced he is leaving after the season. This makes fans forget their team isn't good, but just motivation to perform well and farewell bid for Xavi. Okay, until say Xavi Bekas or Bekono. Now that the boys need Bibiama or Kikino. Aha, nsana kwakwe wo yentu aso na yemfa senso ma time about center omana dey time about mission no enso e dey abadwa so time about mission droba ko boawo e ma chesenioma e fine enso e ma malaria fever no e be ko obedon ho afi wonum atwaduane nya ode wonum ye onyo yo obi aduane no ontimi niama fon na wo fon e ba sa na se wonfa kwa no madro enye dwuma ne ye oni praduane mu nti bomode ansa drona ye fa ne time about mission be pebi so abobokama honamre so ebeko amani peduano enya na ho dem apa time about misha and the capsule sababu ebesiesie wo ba ebema neoma ye fine wase ebewo ebeye winsen wase ebemo ayekuma bia mabrebia wukunu kombedo na fe won so what me ahunsampa wade one na wote ho ana bema so nya time about misha anase ne capsules no bi so no ma eno so ebebo apa ma on sansan gu bema ho ana fe nsu through Bemamu Banning and no, and so a jai 0244 417 669. Now just watch with your Buffalo Polo African print. No, that's a year to the Pamontadia FA. Come on, African print. And so we see a tag in the Saya and Impa or the Pump Polo shirt or the Pump Golf shirt or the Pump round neck and after V necks in Inano. A Buffalo Polo and Chen also Konakwa Jodia Madi Wom and a Bema Subenya so and with your policy all done in now. When Sabeka tag and watch some more weekend more programs. So couldn't you know Buffalo Polo about more damn unique amount so but Kokra and to Shana Quine Ewahinama Kokobin of Santasa Quine so 0249 600 789 0599 899919 Apostle Bibia find it.
Yabia dum Bibia Boko.
Abasa some de me can be a can as a man for them say.
Oh, ya chum now, ya Obaka, and Mudada, and maybe Akuma.
Sompa Sports.
My Kayasam, and maybe Akuma.
Many partners have you, Apostle.
Why?
Xavi.
No, good. My queen. Oh, master. He's an exceptional player. No dispute about Barca coach now. Oh, yeah, big and player policy, but he's not the standard coach for Barcelona. Wow. And I know so coaches Papa endorse. Yeah, so that's the reason why he's enjoying that. But if I want a coach for Barcelona, he's not cut for the job. Or not cut for the job. Team, I'm coming. Now, the na anope mbeye will be quick. Minister Fred Mutua Madrid Masters. Mutua Madrid Masters is among the ATP, where ATP and WTA Masters, Mani Memanyanebo. Is among the top 8 Masters tennis tournament ever we are seeing. Now, this particular one, the male version of the ATP Masters, unfortunately for the male version, omunya issues. Issue ni say Jannik Sinner enya injury, hip injury. So he has to pull out. That was unfortunate. He was able to meet Felix Aliaseme. That was a problem. He pulled out. Then you also had a situation whereby Abrantier and Daniel Medvedev also pulled out against Jiri Leheka. Daniel Medvedev pulling out. That was also not good for the tournament. These are big boys in the tournament who are pulling out of the tournament. Jiri Leheka and Nankasa pulling out against Felix Aliaseme. Because season baby doing a lot of, they are now beginning to feel the pressure of the matches they played a lot. And then also Carlos Alcaraz losing to Aubrey Rublev and know preventing from making the third time consecutive
champion of Mutua Madrid. Bema Bianye be that. Often they couldn't do that. Also, the right arm no injury. So yes, the final was played. Who expected the Mutua Madrid Masters final will be played between Felix Alessemago and then Abranti Chano. He lost the first set by 4-6 and won the second set 7-5, 7-5. So yes, it's because Sebio injuries are buying. You didn't see that at the male level. Now the Mana Fem Shadrach, I don't know whether you are there or you are dozing off. A Mana Fem the finals. Arina Zabalenka and Iga Swiatek. So this one. We're a repetition of last year Mutua Madrid Masters. Last year, Arina Zabalenka etra Iga Swiatek 6-3, 3-6, 6-3. So we a revenge or repeat this particular game. And clearly, Iga Swiatek made it clear in the semi-final, said she want to beat Abiba and Arina Zabalenka. And then she went ahead. The first set was very incredible. I mean, her serve and then also the cross-court shot was brilliant and precise. Ground stroke, excellent. On the first set, she won the first set by 7-5. But then Arina Zabalenka, very ferocious, hard-working, good movement, excellent top spin, forehand, and won the second set. And won the second set 4-6. Then the third set, it was give and take. 2 breaks for each of them, and then the final, and the 7-6 tie break, won 8-10 by Iga Swiatek. So Iga Swiatek are winning the Mutua Madrid. This is the first time she's won it. And we're winning Rome Masters, we are winning Roland Garros. Now, the WTA, she's become the 4th woman. We Serena Williams, every Omara Sharapova, every Honomo, and then Simona Halep. She's become the 4th woman to achieve that feat. That's incredible for a young lady like this. So don't forget that she's already won 3 French Open champions, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Now, but the main highlight of Mutua Madrid, Enyewemu, Rafael Nadal. Now, Shadrach, Mami, Rafael Nadal, this is the man. This is the real deal. Bibi awon fitiaseba we. Yes. Now, Rafael Nadal ewo this grounds, the Kaja Magical venue, this ground. And we need 5 times against Ivan Lubicic, against Roger Federer 2010, against Stanley Wawrinka 2013, against Kane Nishikori 2014, and then 2017 against Dominic Thiem. Now, Rafael Nadal has come up against Jiri Leheka on Kahu. You can't remember tennis or Kahu. But here we have Rafael Nadal. Until me returning a shot and nice. Serve a lucky power, depth, quality. Nadal. So there is somebody about one of the finest forehand, even is the most devastating forehand player in the men's tennis over the last 20 years. Cross-court shot, heavy top spin, this man. Very quick, speed, good footwork, aggressive, tenacious. This man, the only player among the 3, Novak, any Federer, or 10 defensive drop shots into wins. No. By Neno, by my Emre. Now, banana fans show 5 banner, 5 yes, almost kind of what he has done. Gracias, Rafa. Yes, almost danasi. Niawaya amamu, what is done for this court. Beyond this, my main speech, so I want to listen to the way of like emotional farewell beat.
Solo ha sido
2
un apoyo y un cariño incondicional por parte de todos aquí en Madrid, o sea que solo puedo dar las gracias.
But since then he's felt great love from all the people in Madrid. And a dry eye in the family, that is for sure.
Nos hace el favor de acabar de bajar ese año ahí a Iván Ljubicic.
Fue muy difícil, no quiere terminar de bajar.
Ganando el torneo en el año 2013.
Now you see, some fans will be brave swan. It's not just about that. It will be difficult for Spain to have, or maybe they will never have, because they've never had before him. He is the great athlete. I mean, for me, Osha, they won the World Cup, they won 2 Euros, but listen, what this gentleman represents for Spain,
is serious.
Individual sport.
Yeah.
So 22 Grand Slam not winning. And now I will now tell you we are running against. I'll see what I'm fast tracking. The reason why he's exceptional. Oh yeah, naturally Juan Carlos Ferrero, Carlos Acra's trainer, Carlos Moya, those are great players that played before him. They are naturally clay court specialists because in Spain most of the courts are clay. So you grow up, you play on clay. Now he's a 22 Grand Slam winner, but he could win Australian Open twice, not less against Miami 209 Australian Open against Roger Federer. You expect say Eba will be our ball we are clear, he will not be good at this, but he was able to stamp Roger Federer's 2009 Australian Open.
Yes,
against Federer, who is a top player about hard court and then grass, but beat Roger Federer to this. Now, and then the next one he won was 2019 against Daniel Medvedev. Now, once again, we establish authority over a top player in the era. Then you go to the French Open, which is a whole 14-time Grand Slam he won. Not only that, but after beating Puerta Ramona of Argentina,
Sompa Sports.
He went ahead to beat Roger Federer 206, 207, 208, 2011. 4 times.
Serious.
Oh, the Roland Garros. Then did 2012, 2014, 2020 again Novak. So in the era, the top players in his era, Eba Sebi, major event like the Roland Garros, which are a master, and then baby in favor no Australian Open, he was able to do that. Now, Miami 2008 Wimbledon is the best ever he's done in his career. I'm going to do grass.
2008,
yeah. Now, the 2008 way, the reason is this. This game lasted 4 hours, 48 minutes. Now, Nadal winning first set 6-4, second set 6-4. Roger Federer winning second set tiebreak, third set tiebreak 7-6, fourth set tiebreak 7-6, and then Nadal won 9-7 in the 5th set. The reason why in the first ever Wimbledon final, at that time Roger Federer winning Wimbledon 5 times, so he knows this surface better. Where in the maiden final, and he's playing the master of grass court, but once again the tenacity, the power, the aggressiveness, a young player went ahead to dethrone the king of grass. And then he ended up with the US Open against Novak Djokovic 2010, 2013. So, we tried Novak Djokovic US Open twice. We tried Novak or French Open thrice. We tried Rafael Nadal or French Open 4 times. And we tried Roger Federer. Roger Federer, French Open 4 times, and Roger Federer, Australian Open once. Beyond this young man, before him, Spain had only won 2 Davis Cup.
Sompa Sports.
Already the US team, or no, the Spanish team, sorry, or no, Feliciano Lopez, David Ferrer, Fernando Verdasco, he led that team to beat the most successful team when it comes to Davis Cup, at the US 32-time champion, to beat them, 204. He came back again and dealt a big blow to Czech Republic, who had won it 3 times in 2009. He came back again and won against Argentina, who had won it once in 2011, and then crowned it 2019 against Canada 4 times. So 4 times, I associate Spain was 6, but that 4 was led by this young man. Then Nia Novak gold at Olympics. He did it. Fernando Gonzalez, 208 China Olympics. He won that. Now, beyond all that he's achieved, Adib Bakwaye made there. His uncle Tony Nadal, he has made him who he is from age 4 to 31, from 1990 to 2017, 27 years, are transforming. But beyond all that, Adib Bakwaye, so there's him. He has a young player with the uncle Tony. But near me there is the academy now I set up. No? Oh my no. 26.
But you were investing.
Now this is academy. Oh my 26 courts. See? 26 courts. And it's not only this, it's to train and develop other top talents. Spain need problem.
So why ain't it a boarding house? No?
Yes, academy.
Yeah.
A tennis academy. Top one. We've caught Baku 26 in there.
Training 45 tennis courts.
Yes. Now, so those are training courts, but the main courts are 26.
Yeah.
We are training courts. What is here? And I say, one grass or one hard court or one clay court. Now, what he's doing is that for the first time, you have Spanish players are more seeing how to play on hard court, different from the clay court they are used to and the grass court they are used to. Now, he's not only here. He's on Baku or Kuwait, Baku or Greece, Baku or Mexico. And now, as we speak, he's an ambassador of tennis to Saudi Arabia. The next one will be built in Saudi Arabia. That is the huge legacy he's living. And above all, $500 million earnings and our earnings so far. $545 million. It was he had earned in tennis so far. I don't want to Formula 1. Me himself when he but don't worry, I go Formula 1 quick. When he So Miami Grand Prix was won by Lando Norris
for the first time.
For the first time in his career, Lando Norris of McLaren. Now what happened was simple. Fortuitous. We are saying here. Lapuan who said you Perez Pesoye want to be clipping the wings of Max Barnier, but lap 24 Max got PT, and then Oscar Piastri took the lead. But the most important thing that happened among all this was lap 27. Lap 27, Carlos Sainz, Oscar Piastri, Echo PT, Santai. And no more Lando Norris ever taking lead. But lap 29, I had a lack no ban. Lap 29, no SMBC. SMBC and say Logan Sargent, our Kama Williams. And then Nico Huckelberg or Kakama has Echo like
Sompa Sports.
And you know safety car buy and safety car bus ana samujai afedi all start here except modern kakra sana my restart a hormone na Lando Norris PT or PT PN he was still leading a bit assembly no we omu ya na be see na see only pa Max Verstappen yeah so my time maza but na dey nye hotel asem akwana bofun from. So yes, unfortunately Lando Norris are won, but once again, he's won the pole position again. 6-time running. That's Max Verstappen. By leading 35 points on the standings at the end of the day. 35 points. So still leading. And I don't think anybody can stand. But kudos to Lando Norris. He's done a great job.
Yeah,
I mean, 110 Grand Prix, 15 podium finish, 8 second place, 7 third place. But this is the
because
first time.
Because competing on BI top notch.
Yeah. But we are seeing and that. Now, if it's 2021, yes, 2021, Uncle Winnie Russia Grand Prix, and Nancy Toy. But that's a McLaren fan.
Yeah, oh yeah, intense. Well, Apostle Beda say, yeah, you have a quick break by a banner, Luther, Ediaba Berum, Eufina, Yashedi Fifi, and so Bana, and no, Patrick Champions Nadal, so far from injury now, 9 and 1 a hand war. A young quick break in my banner, Yababa to us, so Eddie Flo, young Comra.
Sewa, me watch you. Me na no me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid na me ko. Men krata kra ni.
Eh, eni me ma connection man for den kofo sika adwane ne wanyi otire di musa no.
Oh, Express Group Adarmenti, akwenso aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do be come mind be say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say to ana say business so. Express Group do be Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo am so mutu kwan koye edwuma so. Obetimi do work Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure Kwai Kumasi as affiliated by roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Police Station. For more mature for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamenche 10 HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi and your what dropa
Eyadro say, mani peduan kwamwa no enya hoden na akwatia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited. What the time TIME ebetwaso wonua and the time HH Heba Mr. Edia betwaso akra wenyen fisia dumienu enum bi wo pefo ene oba wo makra dufo enso enum bi time HH Heba Mr. wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 Time HH Heba Mr. Eyadro say FDA adwadi nkratwe atum
The ones that never from toothbrush no. Why you toothbrush no? Ninya Ashford.
Nah, Nina Ashford dear. Not so evident no way.
Oh, that the evidence bank. Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. Check. Abena de amokumi. Ashford Princess. And our bra could do the so Ashford Galaxy. What the na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And our media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are good one dear. Papa, moto. Let me brown dodo me ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Fibo Ventures na kofabe draso. To phone friend 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
Ora, faccio veramente shadi o fare.
Brade, è naso che.
We should see about Queen Wayne.
Grass, said your time about Mister. It's your Jimmy fearful, and not your back.
Really, no, this offending now.
Grass, and because me the time about Mister more than here. We are singing now about Timeka. It is still malaria. What run time about Mister?
And then go, dear, no matter what to me any deal. What run time about Mister? Every and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear woman, but down for any up or down when you feel to you. And some of the time about Mr. Draven. Shut up, hospital and answer lab. I'm what we said. Oh, a 3-day Madrid be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be at an ziva a woman. Never slap. Ubenya be at all over the counter medicine sellers.
Any herbal shop to do now.
FDA adji crotway at all.
We are back, bringing you the latest lineup from Betway. Betway starts strong with their front two, with Free Play Friday and Swipe Bet.
I'm left foot now.
In the middle, you've got all the control with Cash Out and Build a Bet. Plus, with Win Boost, you can boost your sports bets. At the back, they have Smart Picks and the Partial Daily Jackpot.
You always get way more with Betway.
And you might see.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am the private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses me out. General art, science, business, no work a couple. Ever St. Andrews SHS. I am dinner ever pass. What's the one teachers now? What's the one do? Discipline. No fourth one was Yati. St. Andrews, Riviera, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room control, Eric Pick up say, warranty from SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Riviera or Ghana? Saturday Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Sabobo Schooler, but school always I'm a part to Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS. Let's see there, to Saturday.
Sompa Sports.
Yes, Yamrana Yametwasu, Eofie Luther, Ewa Hadi, local stories, no, latest on Banemum Kulun Ghana Limited. Man on Miguso Yamo campaign, Mesro, so your buy dry freno, Araba Bazen tablet, and you can so maybe a pound way. A China for Enupa, Chinese herbs, and market Kamboom, a day I said, a day Abantu your bar, na say I won't say I den amo Bomodian Saraba Bazen tablet, no be pebi, Abu Babao, now Roa would denimu Amantempana, Bana open, say a banner, say a bemanina on sa, and so a cafe. Monsua Mojanobe say, dear Frisane Kwakama, menstrual pain, send menstrual disorders, or your bar, Unukunu Eshama, Ayana Kwakwa Yesu, Anunti, Amau crying to me and enjoy arches, or San Quano, Asia, I won't pass man Comodia Camano, now Kwakwa Bioha, what drono, and so Araba Bazen tablet. Say, oh, your Bemana Johnson, our Bemomishi show, or Bemano Johnson, and watch me, and I say, Muya, and what you Johnson Basa, rough off, oh, your Bema, Obaso bow, prostate, and so on by a drug friend say, Hunchun capsules, I know, Anna Ababwa, Hunchun capsules, a year, Juma, Ama, Newman, so I have fine name, say, Bema, I am person up on what then say, why am I, Obama, and Abribiano, or libido, our from whom to me, sorry, said ye, I will say, sorry, oh, premature ejaculation. Now, so John, also Pampia, what journal, and so I am Mr. Kill, and no, and a babwow, baby, a toy drubiano craft pharmaceutical shops, and I feel herbal shops in Inamo, one sa ebe count there 0244 275429, and I said 0206 271016. Not just in Perifono and J was so Luster Ghana Limited. A Yas toothpaste and a Yas toothbrush. On my Darama Bribia. When your product and be wa bravo bashon so now Yas total care, Yas herbal, and I feel Yas whitening and no a toothpaste. I just want to choose Sanopa and you may and I feel brushes our door. Your Duke, our prince, your Duchess, our princess. Yes, I won't call the toothbrush and so can I deba can say nika into a banner pa we be in cancer so kwatwini so no abeko no akwa find a brush na for mia yas ni bia guso na che so they are brushing the teeth anopa ene anwumre eboa amankwara ne se fita kama eboa ma bananum hwam obi e fa akwada na bone boa onyi yi ne hwene esan so bananum hwam ne wachi wo panini so beboa wo pa ama prepia no so watimi akonipam ema wo gam enya hoodem asen so fita na asam wonum enso ati udidi abetene de Yas toothpaste and a Yas toothbrush. A doom piece at Kayets around about 0501 390337 0501 390338. Not just a watch wodiana what day a day ujuma Puwak Natural Health Limited. I'm on a day a 3P garlic meshano abba. Now Jumadia 3P garlic meshan a dinner say will be a stroke ever say how and I saw Nasi to me 32 do nabe pimpemosa and answer that your rough will be a asthma and also why a checko why a kese ama broso who menstrual disorders and as irregular a menstrual flow and also will be a high blood pressure and so a drug fan is a 3P garlic mixture ebedu akaginamu ama stress na akọ wofuna aye bloated debia so no pa na se gas abegina wofunu mu wofuna ekutu sugar level no enso akosro obeso immune system enso enya hoden ewa bra e fight e de atianya de wa hodo ani nyina no aye 3P garlic mixture and also pebi enso ebobo na 0248 928824 0201 000021 a number also be frena on impenfono and so enkasena nkomobia kabiano monso matumi de kama 21st clinic say brabeje wayaresa obabeje wayaresa 21st ya debia odebia na yetu ase de amaw yenso no ehono yemfa ya de nkoso me konoma kwakoso anu na me ya de die eno ana de me bekoda bi yetu ase one time ekwa emabiem eno ntini e ka cho sa sciatic nerves no say o problem ewom na bia santini ne ha wote yaw ama utu na a problem one tu na so a problem da bia ya no so ba ya pa sciatic and fa 21st clinic na yentu ase na ne paduano enya ne mfa hode ya de bia ha bia so kwa beboa ultramodern laboratory yen scan services ya dwe massage body ama no mpene senkase ne nyankwa ya sade abafo machines enso aba ya dwuma den kumase ya wo hwa overseas junction ya ben alpha radio oboase council quarters court
junction and cry a dummy market you sunyane ya won kranza sa wo techiman 050 0540 311 311 0249 311 311. Now doctors and Joso Luther fancy say bibi I find
nyame adom na also
nyame adom
nyame ase
okay
eba athletics if you say ukopie ma na no Saturday na news shas and very sad so share your 4x100 meters relay team and member na shas na baton drop here na say ni daso ne ya sabatenra news papa pass about me say the Paris
ko Olympic Games asamantini ni team no
we kra me kwa apostle
I'm hoping kwayesa mo nkwaji gold mra na yama $5,000
until say one step by step until qualification na here
o some mo feel mo prepare ye
until say nyambo na me do Paris ho na me monitor team no pa because apostle say
and two was all call Paris
nyam na mpese adwuma de me call Paris
okay
na ko monitor team no step by step because Musa no apostle asha see edin komobi e ka che Ghana Athletics Association president say edin ye Boachi Luther
okay there's an express group for some yero try take it to
baby o se me da no right yamfa e good news ne sha se nyina no say owuramu a enura na se ni gisem na ba Ghana owuramu e Bahamas e ho na world relay no etimi etodwa for qualification to the Paris ni Olympic Games and chebe shase afia mu na Ghana ye 4x100 men relay team no etimi secure take it on the ekopem the Olympic Games ebetodwa no na ukotwa brantia ye fe no Benjamin Azamati edu baby ahwa hakwa na efe no na o charge Joseph Paul na say Joseph Paul amu no wase kokoko na win no betima ye dia ema ni timi aye kama bra na Saturday no ye di kan adwe e group dem nya say baton no ye drop in no ema ne kokko ya de bia ne very discouraging na mum enura abrawhwe e team na emrante team jam nya abrante Ibrahim Fuseni ye nya Isaac Bochio Benjamin Azamati and Joseph Polamwa omutimi ewini ye ewo chase he too ohwe e finish first where you two 38.29 seconds and etimi ediwie ye na so hwa ye Ghana ye season's best yetimi anya for esa team way ema biasu etimi kama na wohwa no manyina ko na wie ya Ghana ye team qualify no yanhwe abra Ghana qualify Nigeria eso qualify Liberia qualify na Nigeria ne Liberia ne Ghana team no ekaboma celebration no etimi ye kama yanhwe celebration na yentie kakra ole minim de okofa de ba na omonia Djibruta Ghanaian Alex omo ho na otwe Nigerians na senoma kuba bikra na Nigeria man kra do mo ho eso ba betwim na otwe Fuseni Ibrahim etimi enya 10.69 seconds and what the shine dia na say and o jamu e de come Brenton Isaac Bochio ono so no e de 9.13 and Azamati de 9.35 and Brenton Jopo so at the 9.12 edwie man ko total of 38.29 seconds omdi wienyen sama Brante Fano Ejo Paul and Benjamin Azamati editudwa after say enkumide ne by mixed zone ho.
It feels amazing. They are brothers, but whenever everything that we do on the track is done, we have that rivalry, but when it's done, we all come together. We are happy to get the win, and whatever happened yesterday, we have to put it behind us. Come out here today and then execute the race, and we knew we were going to win.
I mean, it's awesome. It's amazing, but we thank God for the gift of this talent, and we thank Ghana for being behind us and letting us do what we do. I mean, they supported us coming here, so we're just thankful to God that we are able to go to the Olympics twice.
Let's say Asile they are more joy sports for so or more adaroma and oma yenya video yi now share a fentua suba dumapa a broke mo Bahamas let's say omunyina de lack ekoye na yenwram ewo Ghana Premier League no share match day 29 akakra ne league no season bana we ansa na wram sena results no esi ekoye upema na no Saturday Kerala United ewo na Shariga Omuchi Nations abomu kabakwa omu antimante Sunday and a crop beer after team no kopia mo opimso ena se ofikasem no enkunimdie nkoa Omuchi Lagos cities abomu kamienu a omu antimante na sa game way ensem pdie cham don sembeba Go Stars eso ene Bechem United bo 1-1 Great Olympics eso ene medema ekotwa Olympics akabakwa omu antimante na sa game way 90 minutes na 0-0 referee at the additional time no na 7 minutes 6 minutes of the additional time na go no etimba Kamal Dini na game no ban na we mame Olympics fans na omo attack officials no we Great Olympics fans omo attack officials center referee Ayaba Ibrahim and our friend Isaac Odumyelan one and Ernest Akate airline to na fourth official Hasim Yakubu na match commission dey no game no ban we say omo foka ba kono mako when a Great Olympics fans na say da bi da yan twemamo emom do mo nsabo ball card mu ye no ma eman central for kra na omo ye sombe video no omo etigu omo sombe bro omo papa akwa no hye white na onam ka no no ono na ye sombe bro central oko bro odifo and Paul ayenua na oya adwuma wo happy no oko bu omo eno ediesi a ye de emam game no de ensem pi ba ya ye de won enkomo ebeba eno chada results eto dwa ye de emam no so no uko ekopiema nurse Heart of Lions etranso atraman eka ba komantuante Red Tamale United twa the league leaders Samates eka ba ko a omantuante bofo kwata no any Dreams FC sa game kwa 1-1 game way mame penalty na Dreams fo nya ye no eye penalty bia na no odin papa a penalty na de shebo for supporters omo say Aminu Shadow general manager and na chase ni panyi ba akoto na penalty way na referee came and bet na penalty mum ansom say shade a bon kan be si ewo Coronation Park no enye asem papa enu your penalty agie edma Dreams FC fo a yede emamo enu akire ntwa da result enu so no esan toto dwa yede emamo ewo dwumadie no so na ukopiem a eyade sa Grand Lions ene aduana ne ena ebeto dwa na nyame pa Wednesday brekum Chelsea ene atso folk eso ade apem so na kotoko game no yenwura mu kakra reactions ni bi no kotoko game na bra kotoko second goal back coach this one tell say go now kotokose for second no na offside na eni kwan esa go no ejina entenam so makopa kwesi Fabian eko fourth official Peter Dosa eho ene ni ko yi suma na se team manager crowd man Lagos Cities ekrasi tumi ko bia na esenya for the agrokra na Lagos Cities omu game no ena ugro the discipline committee of the Ghana Football Association empanfo timi a charge wo mo Adaya omu se hade se omu jesi no omu ko pre-match na so omu sesa no nanso omu ansesa no and omu diaba ese it is alleged that the club's refusal to change its strips constitute misconduct that brings the name of the game into disrepute. They have until Wednesday May 8, 2024 to respond to the charges. Enti omu kaso omu jesi no na so omu sesa no nanso omu ansesa omu sheda na ansesa enunti no oma charge so meyi nsembia no na sa game we no ye hwese bedi akira na ye didi nkomo ebise ko pre-match ye nimsense hye wo ho wo mu hye game na se no na Jason aye futu fras na tuo bom na e wo se the away team no na e wo se sa ye wese benya the team manager or representative team ye fe Lagos Cities abro ko represent mo e pre-match no na di nkomo eno aye opanyina ono su ko gire Samu Ibrahim Ewa na yenedi nkomo no matuma ni bedi nkomo na no chi game no pa na wi no said the Kotoko fans no said de na ye pa nie de ne ye hwehwe no eno a ene yensa kan yentie Kotoko fans no
and say, Bill, I may have done your union, then you must say, I'm also a month a mobile now. Another with him, and another 2 months. Since then, you're 7 points out of 9 points. And you know, I'm just say, I will not be losing the campus. I will lose you. So, game lady, over previous match, boy, and I've game man, boy, yeah, Mompire, best out to us, never call we need to
ya besromo hwe na o ma sade wensi bi se bia ya koma menansia adika se bia ya mikiso se mentawatewa aba bia ebesiesie ne nkudie yese
and no say hwe after no yenhwe ma yenkwa homa no so na yenni nkomo yeni TM Edima Legon Cities opanyina ye frɛ no Ibrahim Iwa eni enkomo Ibrahim pa cho temenka Sompa so nie ye ma wache e ma wakwaba
yeah, nesuru mamunyina achi mamunyina akwaba
ya ojide se hunam bokọ de tim na nya akwa kodu nkran
nyame aduma da bi ni man konkran fra me wo still me okuma se me okuma sidishi
wo ye kuma sidishi
ni oti kokoso na na dishi
ayo ene ye nyina ye ade ba akom Ibrahim mami Musa wa anopai ya won secretary from the disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association asoya omo elbo mu kwadu se game amone Kotoko boy no na e wo senka mo sesa mu jesi na refuse mo sheda no mo ansesa na me pa cho sena ensam na etie mo ko pre-match no boy enkomo de na si wo pre-match eno nam so mo ansesa mu jesi om de santansai abom no.
Well, you call pretty much on a panel say I have sometimes club be already start with 2 jerseys. Our first choice or also our second choice. And he has a system no so much to your first choice no say I'm from the boss I give. By say your first choice in the quarters and to Kotoko jersey now motion. Ebe crash. And he say battle mu just better share we team na say what Saudi nti oda urma na nka ye na say jesu nti yesisa edi ye awe jesu no e bai na so mu compare awe jesu no so any Kotoko jesu on be use na still no so omo say omo tifi na on be share game no TV so no omo huni ye be crash ti say the first run is ye ni akra to cook inti senya adini akoya no nti anka omo ni choice bia na nko omo Kotoko fo a Chelsea enye force but anka omo betuma ye bia bo omo a na anka omo nye Kotoko fo so si omo mpeni omo home just red na system na so no mbe so until yeah so your network be will be able to start only 2 days so home and away your first choice no must see a back crash na ya change up for your second choice so I must see a back crash I didn't know until they so pretty much until now acquire I argue between yeah and yes and Kotoko any officials.
So in this case ana wo ka say omo pa Kotoko a Chelsea anka omo nyintu no mo nsesa no e ba sa na mo so mo ye second choice and am second option mo de ba ni nyina no say e be crash no decision no match commission na arrive in say na mo fan ko pitch no so
match commission ani ka say anka Kotoko betuma ya bua Kotoko bozo see omo nso omo away decision on be so home red na and I also catch him say, yes, we are just in you, no, present. There is nothing we can do again. Because if in my another 10 days, so be a crash, I am for you. Until yes, we are over, yes, we bit nine. Until they buy.
So, and a ban say, game no course in the second half, as and society album.
Second, yeah, let's start the game, I say. minim say SMP phone free na ase kasa bi ba kakra na omo ka say anka ye yusu ye home jersey ne pant no any ni host no but ya say ya we jersey no they said the boy man top no empanka and I catch omo say be sadia this yama after ma ye be sa e be sisano nti na feke afọ di we ban
me so me nkomo kakra madidi no me te se eye pre-match ne ye ka kire mo se e be ya nka mo pants no ene mo host no nka mo nsesa e ma se mo anya ntum
enya no kure odi o mo be ka kire no ma me nka se mbi kire sometimes officials referees no omo feel say omo bua big clubs no then so Ghana football no mo say into na won say kotokoni as one say omo to league no because say every center every club ya mau gadget say referees no go board game mo do communicate every club ya mau biadi ba uko center bia na ya pese sisiwa na ya katro say gadget na olo battery en charge into referees ni ampa mo fanche en communicate because referees na wi mo nyina na aduni ba
but Ibrahim Pacho yan share the subject on board now say per the charges are omo dia mamo a omo hwese by Wednesday mudi mu ayebeba no ye so se wo hun sa charge omo dia abomo no
why mu ana
the discipline committee of the Ghana Football Association
eno charges no mo ba eno o ma fem no abo mfa ho ba ye say ye no ye nyam fusu dia
so omo na the charge na abomo dia omo se mo until Wednesday to respond se mo be yi ano de
o se e say ye dia
omo se mo until Wednesday to respond na me busa se mo be yi ano per charges na de abomo no
yeah, say about charge that definitely you have to so yeah no. Yes we are some yeah about charges that and say about charges now akwa the say o mo kan. So what you also be count.
Senior per clarification be but wadaroma why ye edia my ntia beda asena no pe obra onya de baye wo Sompa 93.1 Kumasi na Sompa TV so na no pe
me da mo nyina mas ya no kama
fancy
yes Ibrahim Iwa ono na team manager de Legon Cities no we am say we na babe the second time as adne be happen change jersey na no so babe issue
omo ankasa omo heart of folk first round ABC sa Legon Cities ne omo heart of folk meni ni din ko on kra admit ye but me nwanwa se o ka se pre-match match commissioner kan bibia nchrom se even host na omo pants no omo nsisa
I don't know say pre-match omo catch omo nsisa so
oh yes
sure some
it was a game no shot se kra no first about 30th minute omo efre omo senka omo nsisa
na afi ba ne say na mo call first half by am besisa shorts ne socks okay well yaba so na yaba behwem na ya fam course no express group enso say yen kan cho so obeso sua de oko school e wa mano ne obeso oko na okotoa so university and also obeso your masters when express group empenfo no entana se enkasa afi your doctors and nurses and midwives monso a mo bese munya mo pass score munya mo requirement IELTS afi school fund na make come as mo de no scholarship we fully funded baby abefa bia express group and so ebeboama ticketing and sensem no one side to me I can visa no ya na jama nkomodie na very simple we no enye kasa pi obeso ko Canada US UK Australia fei New Zealand and Germany Kumasi ya wasafu labor and about and cry Kadeshi first light and afi takrade for market circle one man won sa enso ebekan baby ani for mbeko ya ben court no express group juma ene offices ya bie 0555550067 and 024900
0448. Nemo Ghana Gross, Jumadian Youth, no, Monsanje number, Moyana mo first, mo pe Ghana Gross. And so number, me say, who embrace your opportunity, a bonus agriculture, agribusiness, a vocational skills, and a technical, so between 15, 35 years, or your banners or your Bema, MasterCard Foundation, and a Springboard Roadshow Foundation, and a Limehouse, and Penfono, and some, and a job. I ever saw my home foot to my home, just a counseling and a guidelines in an fee. Also, when you be at the two, but to me, say, I want Sakuan, we are Juman Quadia on Sabacoano, 0308 255775. Yes, Meza.
Fancy. Me say na ye train near ba ku mienu bi amana ba betodwa. Concerning George Free, former GFA vice president, on the elections committee. When it comes to Nabato, let me say your mamu date is 13th May. And a ruling in Baba, I know say ruling aba.
Muka 13th May. And a ruling aba ne.
Ruling aba. Express. And a day screen is
okay, so
quick, so they should be very quick. Ruling Nankasa, me pese okoba be a ruling Nankasa one area nearby. Onko down cra. The verdict Nankasa mu. Aha. Inti aha, omo de na mo ka ti area nearby. The ko mu nyina ne de no ba.
What me yan
ya kan mu ba yen ko ba bia rule award na abadi award ni won ehun ne last page award because na man for person omu hu so on these grounds the Court of Arbitration for Sports rules that number 1 the appeal filed on 29th September 2023 by George Kwesi Afriye against the decision rendered on 15th September 2023 by the GFA Appeals Committee is dismissed. The appeal decision rendered on 15 September 2023 by the GFA Appeals Committee is confirmed.
Gosh.
That means ruling na Appeals Committee doing 15 September 2023 no. Kasi sashi mukinasa adina moye na eno kure chodu. The no ana moye na kwanso ano no. The cost of the arbitration to be determined and served separately to the parties by Cash Court Office shall be borne by George Kwesi Afriye. Kabi ewombiya no for Court of Arbitration in your mom coffee from na kani na George Afriye na bede. Ebetua.
Whoa.
George Afriye or George Kwesi Afriye is ordered to pay the Ghana Football Association a total amount of Swiss francs 1,000 Swiss francs as contribution towards its legal fees and other expenses incurred in connection with this arbitration. That means a car GFA boy, you know, say George Free so 1,000 Swiss francs. Kodao my kakra. There also enum all other or further motions or prayers for relief are dismissed. Date Obibeka Sebia Atnas in Yakubu
6 May
2024. Seat of arbitration Lausanne, Switzerland. Inti case George Free at the court cast say yakwakoto aba e GFA elections committee no omokoye vetting ni free mu no George Free so gitumi se come fast ni free mu no na ndi nsem fata e wo so to aso no making the case no and the cancer tenase aka say asem na odeba ni nyina no omabo ato agu omugitumi se the election committee decision so omuteki say omoma George Free ain't take part of the elections of the GFA presidency seat no no create do so mu deserve say also mu yi no e di nifin no masa abo ne kakakra e di atoso se onko no nkotwa awia ye ba the womni nyina no ye be sa bobom kwan fa so mo arrive in this particular situation any case no ye be mo bibia so atenti bi
yes I get ho son
oh
okay
so betima to aso di ni
president no wo Mike enso mu kakra
fancy nanka mo issues be break but let's stick to Legon City's name Asante Kodoko sa strip issue no basically main kase the obeka sama Legon City's Iwa Mohammed Iwa Ibrahim main kase we ditro but because I wasn't there he was present into onone account no from onone end you know will be more credible than me based on me investigations ne me hwehwemu ba me hwehwemu ne de ne boy bra And I did not just investigate from one person. I had like 3 sources. In Tinipa miensa ensemo mokano. Ni nurses so 1, I sought a year away from Kotoko as to what happened. 2, an independent body. Then 3, from the match officials nankasa within them. So meme DNA based on 3 different accounts. Banina the same story. So what happened? They say, more system no. Ebei the away strip of Legon Cities and then the home strip of Kotoko. And they are too much way in so. Inti mudi hun komona, there will definitely be a clash. Inti ebe draw attention. Sa Kotoko ne home team. Inti sa dia men show red, nanka show white. Kotoko did not compromise because 1, almost the posturing of Legon City's officials, you know, and then 2, I'm running here. And he said, also busy same one. A visiting team no sisa. And our Legon Cities now unni membrane a debobo na. Utu kwine then away. Obwa to avert circumstances like this. Enti yakasa ye bibia di nkomono. As at 10:30, the final resolution may come TNE. As at 10:30 and Ranopa, the final resolution was Legon City's Beshe Esrono, ne away strip, a form no, or Beshe pants, which is the short no, or Beshe ni home strip there no, not the socks no, so I share home strip there. So it was orange, blue shorts, and then blue socks. Shirt and then orange. That was the agreed. And the Shadrach meeting can't send the team sheets in the mount. So open your team sheet now, sounds of Fatos to Fama. There is the official team sheet for the game. You print it and on the send earlier cry. And it's a soccer team sheet now. You can look at it. And when the first half, the final resolution was communicated to the GFA as at 10:36, and then communicated to an official of the FA, which is the general secretary, as at 10:39. The time now me boni you. Yet see a jina yes when they agree no. GFA no enya the indication no as at 10:36. The general secretary of the FA also got this communication as at 10:39. So before 11 o'clock Enranopa, Lagos Cities knew Jesse Omobeshe. I'm repeating. Is it I'm saying you are the before 11 o'clock Enranopa, Lagos Cities no munim say blue shorts ne socks no when there was an accommodation game na say omo man yen sa, because at the pre-match it was agreed. This is the account of Kotoko, the account of an independent person, and the account of the match officials. And I'm there to the amount.
Okay, Mate.
And they flouted a decision taken, and that is how come they've been charged, because Oma flouted the Premier League regulations, Article 16.2, which speaks to strips in case of a clash. Colours now, there was a way. This is the official team sheet. Ocean Lagos City is a color red and blue socks, and a day.
Yeah,
where a team sheet prepare for the game. So we need not let these things happen. Kotoko could have compromised. Oh, yeah, share red, okay, better white. Just like it happened this weekend. Yeah, KB's war Sunyane. Bofuni Dreams. There was a likely clash of colors. Dreams Eshe green, Bofo Eshe home green. And Tisadia ebe clash. What Bofo did was to understand and compromise. Into Bofo compromise
by force.
Eshe registered white strip no at the boy. It's now say Bofo share white no. Omba way or bohom and a dreams Eshe green. So Kotoko could have compromised. But almost say money or na moye
Sompa Sports.
And an Oman saw mama, and they wanted to follow the rules of the game to the letter. And clearly, in this case, Legon Cities are fault, and they've embarrassed a whole situation. But the FA could have also averted this by insisting on the alternative strip. First, you register home away near the third strip account. And a clubs go yako patch or say justice nene boye or more dainty or more your home and away pay. Look at what they are doing.
Mike, I'm comment him. Apostle Bremame. More patch or say justice in the boarding. And then they bobo.
Apart from Kotoko,
will be here first, second, third, and your fourth kit.
The FA should be straight.
Oh, Massa.
Mamimbo, the 4x100 quartet at Basel, they've done a very good job. They've done a very good job. Look,
baton change, even the US. There's no country as suffer than the USA. Yeah, so it has happened. A lack of proper coordination and consistent. Now, but me training consistently, have good cohesion, good teamwork, but on the DBBA team, you see. And so they've done very well. And I like, as a Meti, what we were doing to Joseph Amwa. I mean, look, we really have yes, or Tiemo supporting Masa Kobe Timi. I love that. It shows teamwork. Usha Ibrahim Husseini, Isaac Botiu, these are two American replacing business since I've replaced them, but since Safo entry and then also Safo entry. Then you also have Robert Menu. So I mean, the fact that we could have Nipa Minu or Omuye new to the team and still will qualify speaks volume of the quality kakra we are having. And for me, my impressed with them because this team, I remember, I mean, African games I was here losing to the same mistake of Batonje to Nigeria and overcoming it, recovering quickly and making sure they qualify for the Olympics. Look, every athlete we are the biggest stage to be is Olympics. Every athlete. The biggest stage is Olympics. We athlete now Olympics one could be their own. I say sebi. One year athlete anchor. Just like a tennis Olympics and a tennis player winning Grand Slam. Yeah. So I mean it's a wonderful, but the 38.29, I can understand the fact that the two Fusaini and Azebutu and your part of the quartet, because what we did at Oregon 2022 was 38.07. That's our best time ever. And at the same time, Olympics, but because Olympic, the competition is keener because you are meeting top opponent, and they could do 38.08. So I believe that when the quartet fully meets, complement each other, training for a long time, we are going to have a wonderful team. But just that this races, when it gets to Olympic level, you are established. But the but we have the established winners already, so don't need it. But for us, maybe everybody, the investment, the lack of investment, or the little investment, is what the facts was that they beat Nigeria here. For me, I'm happy. It's a revenge of what happened at the Afghan games. Now, my exhibition bout of Zuma Nelson. Monsena Michael Yeroff Biba me, you know. Anopa, yeah. Oh, I come. Timon statue no Mazuma.
I
come. Ose statue no Munzima no.
Na Tio, na that politician at Ghana at University. There's Sebiu. Almost politicians no mu change university. None of them would do half of or have done half of.
Just Sebi, na my friend. Mun statue Manzuma.
Complex no cry reptiles, snakes and a go. Kanejino. As one is was complex.
So besides say a banana opening their tunes are fresh, man.
Look, listen. Me say what I'm seeing, I'm very happy, at least even at the age of 65. At least Obia who say as a EU ambassador to Ghana, they need to do this. We know but the fact say a man and Niaji, I mean recognizing his achievement.
So outside there's no crowd who a bonabaso.
No, Master.
Hey, Pijano.
The Ore war.
Yeah.
That's a sign.
No.
And I don't know what see you may watch it song go back.
Mumuna, Daniel Modiano.
Michael.
It's a take ambassador.
Sanya and then you can listen. Azuma Nelson is a global icon. And yet, Sebi, let's put everything aside and
Sompa Sports.
Azuma Nelson, look, is a global top boxer. Top means top. Africa will struggle to get a replacement for him. It's not a joke. This is the boxer you're seeing there. Or you're exceptionally good as a boxer, from amateur level to the professional level. And for him, Mumami Wilfredo Gomez, 1984. I mean, how old some of you were, 1984, when he won the WBC featherweight title.
So Azumani.
So watch Azuma, check how he lands the punches, look at his combination, shiny footwork. And now that's typical of him. And head movement. That is Azuma Nelson for you. Always making sure the guard is up there.
1984.
That's 1984. Azuma, unyielding,
always coming. Good shining head movement. No? Now check the combination from him and his ability to out-tweet the opponent. And he's always coming at you, always pressing you. Odiase, that is the man we are talking about. That is the man. No. And look, where San Juan, this Puerto Rico, and Azuma, going to an eminent territory of Fumano, he will go there and beat you. That's the. He won this world title, Puerto Rico. Why share the whole crowd of Puerto Ricans? And he's not moved, or he's not moved by anything. He's not about technically gifted. Share any footwork. A very good boxer. You all the time see him making sure that the right foot is in front and the left always like. Is it like a center back or Yako counter attack and a set piece now or non with an attacker? That's Azuma. That's it.
To 2 points for our break.
So from here, Obi already after beating Mario Martinez for 10 years, defended title for 10 years. The reason why we share WBC super featherweight title, you ain't dotting we no, or no, also. How many boxers have that luxury? This is the man we are talking about. So as a nation, we've not celebrated him well. Now this is only Mario. Now Mario Martinez. Now we are the vacant WBC super featherweight title. Now check Azuma. Once again, watch the footwork. It's very important when it comes to defensive position in boxing. Now share the footwork. Now share his ability to land punches as and when difficult, so you hit him because of the rear guard. He's keeping one up, keeping one down very well, very effectively. When you go to America, or a household name in America. Yeah, of course. This is a EU ambassador to Ghana.
Whoa.
Okay. So, Papa, we just as our mind Ghana and Kasasebi and Ninkaye. We don't celebrate their great heroes and legends.
Matia Apostle. Whoa, maybe I'm a farmer course, no, but before, Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Daroma. Mamma birthdays no real quick. Shadrach in ruling now in Yenafi. Yabefa for the kind. Job, I say happy birthday going out to upon Flovia. Pushigu, northern region. Officer Kwame B. Chrome, Pushigu, and Cheso upon Flovia, and order from Job. Ojo, and I say Flovia upon our show, our dapa. Yamin Shana on your command, so dear man, I'm saying a toughin wa, when Sue from Bako cry, and Job, a wife Ojo, and I show our dapa, and anopay. Faye, happy birthday going out to Era Kunedu Amwa, and when ya a fee from Oma me a Avaro, and papa, Jeffrey Amwa Suzu, say a Era Kunedu Amwa, and Ewa dapa, in a penipa, Suzu, Ebony, the mame, and Avaro, Yameshua dapa, Yamenka, now on Tunsupa, and birthday. So happy birthday to Erabina, and Ewa Oda, happy birthday, and so Elkwama birthday blessings, Eba Unchen, Erabina, and Anopainty, and no Rani, Ewa Odanti. Enjoy your day, and happy birthday going out to Ousua Laurentia from Varas, I say Ousua Laurentia, Yamesto, Awadapa, Ababia will be from Ricardo Varas, Eba or Laurentia, Ousua, and Anopay, and the chat to Michael Ankwa, aka Abodia O and Nam Asamoah, senior high school headmaster from Kwabena, Dubai, from Sompa from commentator, and say I am Michael Ankwa, and Ewa Wada Hedi, Yameshua Wada Pana, Yankancho Sinyame, and Yawakuma Swadi, and Fama Togba, Mike Kazik Bilbo Sokalu, Taka Steve YouTube, Munkon and Chen, Joseph Fijasi, Bumfo Hospital Junction, or and Chechebia, spiritual talks, and olden days, Deninano, or the Bemau, 0244. 484747 the FA course 0551 931 931 0548 931 931. Yas toothpaste, Yas toothbrush, Daroma. Hello, caller.
Pharmacy.
Oyibo.
Na ati say.
Nyame adum yetio.
Abaji me yas no.
Utie.
Oh, me do ya boys no. Oh. Then I kita yas me so ma gini nyina so me tem. Johnny Wuchi Oma Yas in here. Obviously, we know Yas in anyway. I say I'm with Sompa, Upedia. Yas in India. I'm a far jar to move. Yamin Sam, Yawa, remember, I said, it's me, Bassa, and I'm a winning here. Fancy, yes, 3 house of hope, who can't die or match. Yes, 3 boys, you know.
so Kiada do mu ye bibi maye. Ma ti na ye bibi a be ye no mu di team na congregation. Ye tro mu e mani konita e ba sa fancy. Mani kia chichimai. Na oni nya me ye djuma wa.
Some boys will be miamo pa mo. Hello.
Yes sir.
Yes, open.